Hey team, welcome to the numbers game. I'm Coach T, and in this tutorial, we'll be determining if our linear system has a non-trivial solution. Without further ado, let's hop right on in and take a look at our example. So first, let's briefly go over what a non-trivial solution is. A non-trivial solution is any solution where one of the variables is non-zero. So let's say that we have three variables, x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. If one of these variables is non-zero, then this system has a non-trivial solution. Okay, so now getting into our example, we have two linear equations and we're going to go ahead and put them in a matrix and start to row reduce. So in our first row, we have -4, 3, and -2. And in our second row, we have 12, -5, and -2. We'll start by dividing our top row by -4, giving us 1, -3/4, a half, and then let's multiply the top row by 12. Next, we'll subtract R1 from R2. And then I'm going to divide my top row by 12. Now I'll also divide my bottom row by 4. And then multiply my bottom row by 3/4. All right, we're really close here, so I'm going to add our top row to our bottom row to give us 1, 0, -1 in our top row. And then I'm going to multiply that bottom row by 4/3 to give us 0, 1, -2 in the bottom row. All right, so we've got our matrix in row echelon form, and our top row gives us x sub 1 minus x sub 3 equals 0. And our second row gives us x sub 2 minus 2x sub 3 equals 0. Lastly, we've got a free variable. X sub 3 is free. Keep in mind, this means that x sub 1 equals x sub 3, x sub 2 equals 2x sub 3, and x sub 3 equals x sub 3. So we're going to rewrite this as x equals first x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, which equals x3, 2x3, and x sub 3. For our last step, we'll factor out x sub 3, which gives us finally 1, 2, 1. So we see here that x sub 3 is our variable that is non-zero, and so therefore this system has a non-trivial solution. And that's it. That's how you determine if a system has a non-trivial solution. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more math tutorials. I'm Coach T, and thanks for watching The Numbers Game.